Here from AEDT. So welcome to today's market insight. So we're looking at gold. We all know what happened last Friday. We saw a 3+% gain for gold after the USD was absolutely destroyed after the NFP data. So that's where our focus is. We can see a break above this resistance point here at 1665.21 area. We can also see a close and break above that 1675 area. So all really good signs after that breakout bar on Friday. Buyers also, had that support point tested. They, re-held that support with that failed breakout, and then we saw Friday's, strong reversal bar that came through. So that's that key support at 1627.70. Now, what we really want to see is buyers continue to hold. We're seeing two inside bars so far today. Obviously, today's bars hasn't finished. Anything could happen, but we want to see price hold above that 1665 area, and we don't really want to see a break back below the moving average in below 1650 to 1640. That could be a worry about momentum. We want to see a new higher low come in, and preferably, again, as mentioned, above that 1665 area. Now, if we do see a new rally kick off, we really want to see a very quick break of Monday and Friday's high, setting in new high, and we want to see buyers continue to push up. And if everything goes well and the dollar continues to play ball and we see risk markets continue to track higher, we're hoping to see gold make another strong move back above 1700, and who knows, we could even see a new retest of this resistance at 1726 that's been standing since that October September point. So that would be the end point to test if we did see a new rally extension. But for now, we really just want to see if buyers can get their momentum and mojo back, and if we can see a retest and a break of last Friday's high. So at the moment, inside bars, as just discussed, we don't want to see a move below 1650, and we want to see buyers respect and hold above 1665 if possible. So keep in mind, we do have US CPI data coming out this week, which could play a bit of a role in USD fortunes. So keep a eye on that one as well. So thanks very much for your time. Remember, we have midweek guests as analysts presenting. Excellent analysis during the week. So make sure you tune in for that. As always, have a fantastic trading day, and bye for now.